everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. I'm Rebecca, and today we have a new Dollar Tree video for y'all to see what's new, what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. This is for the DFW area where these pictures were taken for May the 7th, 2024. So let's go shopping and see what's new. We'll start in the apparel and accessories. We have these large rectangular cubed cosmetic bags in the purple and blue color schemes. There are 3 different ones that I found. And then we've got the pastels in the light blue, lime green, purple, dark pink, and light pink. There's also the Body Shaper Hanes pantyhose and plus size. They all went all the way up to size 4X with the sheer leg. They had them in black and suntan. There's also the legs everyday thigh highs. You get 3 pair or the 2 pair of the control top pantyhose with medium supports. These were in bins over by like the scarves and socks. That's where I found them at. Then we've got the Boba Fett socks. You get 2 pair of crew socks for the Star Wars. And then there are the low no profile style socks that are Elvis Presley, and there's 3 different ones. For the arts and crafts, the felt flower kits are restocked, and we showed this one right here that you're looking at in a craft recently that we did on our channel. I did add the pearls, but all the felt pieces come in that packet. So you get quite a bit of flowers for each craft kit. There's the white and silver kit, which you see here. I really like that the cards on the back have step-by-step directions, how to fold the flowers up. We've got the black and silver and gray. There's also the two-tone blue, the ivory and pink flower. And there's a blue packet as well with the blue and white flowers. It teaches you how to make the flowers on the back. In this little tiny packet, you get quite a bit of flowers. Then we've got their nesting style rectangular boxes without the little, like the nameplate thing that you can find on some of them that they carry from time to time. These are just solid boxes. Here they are from the side. There's 3 different sizes. The crafter square crochet hooks, the aluminum hook with the plastic handle. There's 3 of them. Some velour fabric sheets. We've got the dark hunter green. They also have them in purple, red, and gray. Some new stickers for the like scrapbooking, card making, things like that. They have mom, these really pretty roses, the apron, some yarn, and the dad stickers. Cute little mustache. There's a shirt and tie, a toolbox, a belt. Also, the extra large wall creation stickers with the large flowers have been restocked. These are the double-sided cards. They're not on the long rectangular cards. These are on the shorter cards that are double-sided. You get about 3 or 4 extra large stickers. You'll get like 2 large and then a couple smaller ones that they can fit in the open spaces. But just a couple different ones that you can buy. These ones have been out for a while. There are some newer ones than this, but these are the ones that they had restocked as of right now. Also, the 18-piece stickers. These are those puffy stickers that look like a wax melt seal that you'd put on an envelope for like a fancy invitation or just a really fun card. They are sticky on the back, or you can use hot glue to attach them. The baby and toddler aisle, they had more of these sippy cups, which I showed you guys a while back. I was excited to see that they had in to go along with these sippy cups. There's like some snack containers, baby bottles, things like that. They also have the infant flatware with the characters at the top. And there's 2 spoons for each design. And those go with, again, with those cups, these snack containers. They have some new bibs and things like that. So you get like a whole coordinating set, which I think would be fun. Do like a gift basket for like a baby shower, something like that. They even have these new insulated cups with the flip up straw top, and those match all of those designs that we just saw. There's like the bear, fox, and some hedgehogs, and the coordinating colors. For health and beauty, we're going to first start with the cosmetics. There are more of the LA Colors roller lip gloss. There's peach. And they have the yellow card, which is the lemon lime. So I did show these on Friday, but I found them at a few more stores this week. I want you guys to make sure you know that they're out there. And these are in those pop-up boxes you find down on the ends of the aisles that are cardboard with all of the makeup that kind of goes together with the set all together. There's a couple different scents there. There's the Jelly Belly lip balm. There's like strawberry, kiwi, cherry. Also the blush and the cream. The cream blush actually comes in 2 shades, but then they also have the cream gel highlighter and the bronzer. Some new eyeshadow palettes as well. There's the green. Also the gold and tan. We've got the lighter nude colors and a bunch of different colors of the auto eyeliners. There's also the 3-pack of the eyebrow razors they brought back in the pastel colors. And the infused with rose oil hydrating lipstick. They also have more of the beauty blender sponges with the stands. And now for the hair care, they have the personal care revitalizing appearance 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner for all hair types. That comes in a 4 fluid ounce bottle. We have some headbands in a couple different styles and designs, which I thought you would like. There's the wider headbands with the pearls on the sides with the top knot. This really pretty soft rose color. They also have it in a really light blue. It's a very pretty color. It's like a very soft blue. And then we've got the fashion metal headbands with the pearls and a couple different designs. So those are on the gold headband. As you can see, there's like a larger pearl with 3 pearls in between each one of the larger ones. We've also got the pearls that go from small to large, back down to small as you go to the other side. This one has this gold loop with the pearls in between the chain. And some snap clips with these extra large gemstones in pink, purple, white, and green. Now for the pharmacy and personal care, we have the eye covers or the face mask. This is not today. Wake me up for brunch. They also had more of the floral patterns, which they've had out in the past. And there's usually like a little like lipstick container that coordinates with these. And they have a mirror inside. So if you see these eye masks, I'd look around, see if you could find those as well, because they coordinate together. We have some new or some restocked facial products like the Smooth and Lift Collagen by the Global Beauty Care. They come in like 2-ounce bottles or a little bit smaller. There's some skin cream. They also have the Smooth and Lift Collagen Eye Cream. And then there is the ones in the pink packaging. Has the vitamin C facial cleanser with vitamin E as well. Also the facial serum. And then the eye cream. And then in the short box, that is just the skin cream. And the red boxes here is the Revitalizing Cream Cleanser. It says it compares to Olay Regenerist. They also have the Hydrating Moisturizer. There's the Oat Milk and Honey Cream Cleanser. It says for melanin-rich skin. And then this one is Grapefruit Dark Spot Treatment. There's also the Persistent Body Acne Wash. It's an exfoliating cleanser. This collagen body wash. There's vitamin C and the hyaluronic acid. Now for the fun finds. We have some new notebooks with the hardcover. I love the ones that say Hello Sunshine with the suns in the background. And there's the sunset with all the different colors of sun rays. There's the really pretty flowers. And these are tabletop flip books. I have inspirational words to live by, like Dare to be Different. And this one says Take It Easy. There's lots of different pages in there. The Starry Night Globe Lights. Those have been restocked. It changes colors. You do have to supply the batteries. For home decor, we have some more of the stretched canvas pictures. So these are just the white and black drawings of flowers. They have some printed flowers, which has kind of like a boho style with the feathers and things. And then just some traditional flowers like these sunflowers. And then this one here with the butterflies and flowers, just the butterflies. And these all have a similar color scheme, so you can do like a big wall kind of decor where you put a bunch of different pictures up together, or you could just buy the ones that match, kind of hang those together in a grouping. There's lots of different ways you could group these together for a really pretty accent wall. There's also the tapier candle holders back in the gold and black. You have the two shorter ones with the round piece, and then the taller oval for the candle holders. The candles with the pom-poms on the lids, those have been restocked, as well as these candle votives in the yellow, white, and blue. The 4x6 arched photo frames in black and white, or you can get the gold frame with the easel back that holds a 4x4 photo. Now for the home library, office supplies, and teaching tree. They have a Harry Potter advanced coloring book. They also have the coloring cats and dogs, and those are the adult style coloring books to relieve stress. This is the cat. This one just says etching. It has a bunch of different drawings inside that look almost like pencil drawings, and the metallic ink pens in gold, rose gold, blue, and silver. They have the gel pens in purple, pink, green, and blue. And the felt tip pens are two shades of blue, pink and blue, and orange and green, or the Paper Mate Flare felt tips markers, and those are in either the black or the purple. Housewares, home maintenance, and electronics. We've got the wall protectors. There are 48 pieces to protect your wall from chairs hitting into it, doorknobs, even the floor, so you're not scuffing up any like hardwood floors. And there's a bunch of different sizes, and they are adhesive on the back. There's this Island Escape Air Refresher Gel and some new diamond braided rope. You get 40 feet of the rope on each spool. Then for the kitchen and pantry, we have the Bowl Roll eco-friendly bags. It's the double zipper, double layer. You get 20 bags there. They have some new chocolates, dark chocolate with raspberry. There's the caramel filled milk chocolate, or just a solid dark chocolate. They also have these reusable bags. It says you get one to this. This is a larger one, but they have the large and the small sizes. You can also get the gluten-free So Natural pasta. It's almost a 1 pound package. I think it was like 12 ounces maybe. And they also had some more of the lemon wine glasses and the Tupperware style containers available. For the party supplies, we've got the rectangle metallic table covers in gold and in silver. They also have the garland with the balloons that fits across 9 feet. You get all these different color mini balloons that you can blow up that look like stars in all the different colors and hang on the rope. To make a banner, there's more of the balloon sticks that light up. They're 19 inches with the stick, and it comes with the lights. You do need to provide the batteries, which is a light pack that connects to the stick. We've got the yard balloon sticks in a 4-pack. Also this new balloon chandelier. It comes with this long plastic strip to add the balloons to, and then a clear wire to help tie them on. And now for the pet care items. We have some snacks by Spunky Pup, all natural treat bars for dogs. It says that they are handcrafted, good for small dogs, and they are called Buddy Finger. They also had more of the Gentle Formula Pets Plus cleaning wipes. The seasonal items, we have more of the decorative plant ties in a 2-pack. There's a frog and a lizard. They're basically like a cable tie, but they're covered in the kind of green plastic that's bendy. There's the jumbo garden bags and the ceramic glazed garden frogs. We also have the hanging signs that say welcome. There's bicycles, frogs, and butterflies. Butterflies come in lots of different colors like gold, purple, and blue. There's also the resin garden gnome decor. Some stepping stones for the garden. And this really cute large pot that looks like a barrel. There's the 3-pack of, or 3 different citronella candles in the 3-ounce buckets, and the pink, silver, and blue. For toys, games, and entertainment, we have the Apples to Apples Junior game. There's also the Junior on the Go Uno card game, and some of the Gabby's Dollhouse characters. We have Gabby Girl and her pets. There's the cat, and then this little kitten here. They also have the one that looks like a mermaid. Some rainbow stuffed mini stuffies look like unicorns. There's the water games that look like a dinosaur. You just push the buttons and try to get those hoops up onto the posts. Those come in yellow. They had blue, green, and orange. And now for the Dollar Tree Plus items. We've got the pet rescue characters. There's 5 magic reveal surprises. It says reveal and heal surprises. It shows you all the different cards that comes with it. And they come in these blind packs here. There's a 27-piece dish set with a rack for $5. They have silverware, some cooking utensils, plates, pots and pans, a ladle, a dish strainer, and some cups. Cute little play set. They have the large like dump trucks. It has shovels that come with it. You could play in the dirt or sand. And then the $5 swimsuit packs. These are the wet bags that you could use for your swimsuit. There's also a front zipper that's separate, so you can keep dry things in there. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.